Hello and welcome back to our channel. This video is an in-depth tutorial on Appsumo. In this video, we will talk about Appsumo, how does Appsumo work, how to find products on Appsumo, the Appsumo Marketplace, and finally, how to buy a product on discount from Appsumo. So let's begin. What is Appsumo? Appsumo is a website that offers a wide variety of digital products on discount. The platform caters to especially software, but it also has courses, templates, and creative assets on good deals that are added on the platform regularly. Some of them are available for limited time, while others are long-term deals. AppSumo allows you to get amazing lifetime deals or one-time payments on softwares that are usually rolled out on monthly plans. Thus, you can save a lot of money on softwares and tools by getting them on discount on AppSumo. How does AppSumo work? AppSumo connects companies selling digital products to potential purchasers. Around 1.25 million entrepreneurs trust AppSumo for digital tools to run their businesses successfully. On AppSumo, you can discover new cutting-edge tools, buy the best tools at discounted rates, and sell your digital products to get exposure or feedback. Simply put, AppSumo reaches out to software companies to feature their products on the marketplace. It also works the other way around, wherein companies reach out to AppSumo to feature their products on the platform at exclusive discounted rates for AppSumo's members or Sumolings as they are better known. So how do you benefit? You get good deals like one-time payment offers or lifetime plans. How to find products on AppSumo? Here on the top navigation bar, you will see 4 different kinds of products that you can get from AppSumo, which are software, courses, templates, and creative assets. Use the search bar to find a product, whether it's a software, course, template, or creative asset. This is the Spotlight section. Here you will find products that are in the Spotlight by AppSumo. This is the What's Hot section where you will find all the hottest products offered by AppSumo. With every product, you can see its ratings in the form of tacos, its reviews, and the discounted price with the original price. Click on View All to see all the products under this section. This is the Ending Soon section. Here you will find all the products on which the ongoing offer will end within 24 hours. This is the most discounted section on AppSumo. This is the Customer Favorites section, where you will find all the products that are being saved or marked as favorite by other customers. In short, in this section, you will find the most liked products by AppSumo users or Sumolings. This is the Plus Exclusives section. Here you will find exclusive deals and offers on various products. This is the New Arrivals section where you will find all the latest products that are recently launched and added to AppSumo. This is the Cutting Edge Tech section. Here you will find all the products that are made based on latest technology. This is the Lead Generation section where you will find products that help in generating leads. Then comes the Marketing section where you will find products related to marketing processes like affiliates, SEO, email campaign, and much more. This is the Rising Stars section. Here you will find products that are recently getting popular and are in high demand. Next is the AppSumo Originals section that displays products developed by AppSumo itself and whose license or key is provided directly by AppSumo. And the last one is the Freebies section where all the products are free to download. Now let's look at the Appsumo Marketplace. On this page, you can browse all the products on Appsumo. Here you can see the total number of products that are available on the market. You can sort this list by using the options in this drop-down. On the product's thumbnail, you will find the time left for its discount or deal. Here you will see the product's name and the deal or offer type. Below you will see a small description of the product. Here you will see the taco ratings and the number of reviews received for the product, and below is the discounted price with the original price of the product. From the left sidebar, you can select the product type, which are software, courses, templates, and creative assets. Below in the categories section, you can see that Appsumo has products in almost all popular categories like accounting, AI, app, calendar, client management, content, course, CRM, and much more. You can select any of these categories to filter the products. Scroll down and you will see the average customer ratings section. From here you can filter the products according to 4 tacos, 3 tacos, 2 tacos, and so on. Below you will see the plan type section. From here you can filter according to all plan types, lifetime deal, annual, freebie, and digital download. Below is the status section. From here you can filter according to current, ending, expired, and all. From here you can use the price filter. You can either select free or you can add a custom price range. So this is the basics about the marketplace of Appsumo. Let's click on any product here. It will take us to the product description page. Here on the top you will see different tabs like Overview, Plans and Features, From the Founders, Questions, and Reviews. Click on any one to go directly to that section. From here you will see the ending time of the product's offer. It may be in days or hours. Here you will see the product's name, deal type, a small description, and the taco ratings and the number of reviews. From this drop-down, you can select a plan for this product. From here, you can check whether the product has any money-back guarantee or not. Almost all products on Appsumo have a 60 days money-back guarantee. Below, you will see the countdown timer left for the deal. Scroll down and go through the page to see the complete description and specifications about the product. Once you have gone through the product and you've decided to get it, click on the Buy Now button here. You'll be taken to the cart page. Verify all the details about the product here, and if you want to add more products to your cart, click on the Continue Shopping button here, or else click on the Proceed to Checkout button. Now here you need to log in or create an account. If you already have an account, click on the Sign In button here, or else fill all the required fields and then click on the Continue Checking Out button. Now you need to select a payment method. Appsumo provides 2 payment methods, credit or debit card and PayPal. Then click on the Continue to Order Review button and finally click on the PayPal Checkout button. You will be redirected to PayPal where you have to complete the transaction. Once the transaction is successful, your Appsumo order will be confirmed and you will receive the download link and product key in your email. This completes our tutorial on Appsumo. We truly hope it has helped you understand Appsumo better. If you have any suggestions or want us to make a video on a specific topic, feel free to comment below. And for more such tutorials, stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.